Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I am Ubaid Khanani and I have a strong passion for technology and PC building. With extensive expertise in researching, assembling, and optimizing custom PC builds, I'm excited to share my knowledge with you in this course. I specialize in selecting compatible hardware, optimizing their performance for gaming and productivity, and troubleshooting common PC issues. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's looking to upgrade your skills, this course will guide you through that process. This course is designed to help you build your own custom PC from scratch, whether you want to build a high performance gaming rig or workstation or budget friendly setup. I will take you through every step of the process. Benefits of learning PC building. It saves money by building your own PC. You have the option of customizing your performance for gaming rigs or content creation, and you get the skill develops of troubleshooting skills. In this course, you will learn how to choose the right components such as the CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, and etc. Step-by-step assembly process, cable management, techniques for your clean setup, BIOS setup and installation, and troubleshooting common PC building mistakes. Benefit. Um, this course is perfect for beginners looking to build their own first PC, gamers who want a custom rig, or professionals who need a station tailored to their needs. No prior experience is required, just a passion for technology. Join Join me on this journey and let me build the perfect PC together and see you in the course. Thank you.